Hello viewers, in this tutorial we will show the image example in SwiftUI. There are different way we can display the image in SwiftUI. There are different type of image. Suppose we can use the system image, we can use own image, then we can image make circle, make gradient. So here example, one step by step I will show the example. At first we take vertical stack, then we make the group. Here at first take the title SwiftUI, then we can set the foreground color dot suppose blue. We set the frame max width dot infinity and alignment dot center. Okay, then we take another text field, name, image example. Same way you can set the frame max width dot infinity and alignment dot center. Okay, you can set the spacer and then it take and push up to the top, and this is our image project title SwiftUI image example. Group 1 we take the another, we make the divider, then you will show the set the underline or divider. Here take another group, now we will show the how to image how we can image the system image. We can set the text on use system image. This is the text, and then set the foreground color dot red. Okay, then we will use the image. Here is the image component, then set the system as system name, then enter your system image name. Suppose our system image name, built-in image name is cloud, then you will see the cloud image. Then we set the cloud image different type, heavy rain or AIN heavy rain. Then you see the image sense, and then we set the fill color, then is black color. This image we can set the color foreground color, suppose foreground color dot blue, then image color will be changed, it make it to the blue. Then set the font dot font dot large title. Okay, then this image will make the more larger. Okay, and then we will use the second our um, our own image. We will use set the divider text to your own image or general image. Set the title color dot red, then use image component and use your own image. So we need image from asset, so we need our own image. I have a image here, suppose picture. This picture dug into the asset. Here is our picture name is the asset picture name, image name is picture. Go to the content view and use your own image. Suppose our image name is picture. Okay, views, and you will see the image. Here is the image, our own image. We can make it resizable. As the modifier resizable, then use resizable, and then set the image size frame. Suppose our image width is 100 and height is 100. Then image, make it smaller, 100 by 100. Next example we will show the how to image make circle. The image with circle. We can set the color, text color dot red. Okay, then use image component. Our image or image name is picture. Use picture image here, and then we will make it circle. And here is use the resizable property. Then we will set the image height and width with suppose 120, height 120. Okay, then we will make the image circle. Clip shapes parameter is circle modifier, make the image circle, and then you will see the image already done the circle, and make the circle the image. We can overlay the image, overlay circle dot stroke color dot white, and line width suppose set the 4. Okay, stroke we can suppose set the red. Okay, all side you will see the red, or whatever you color defined you will suppose we can set the green. Okay, okay, so we make it white, didn't. Next example, we will show the image shadow. Divider, sorry. Here is the make the divider. For example, is image with circle and gradient. Foreground color dot red. Our image name is fixer, and then it make it resizable. Then set the image size with 120, height 120, clip shape circle. Okay, circle. Then make the overlay. Circle, stroke, color dot, suppose white, line with, suppose set the 4. Then we make the shadow. Our suppose set the shadow 10 pixel. Okay. When we set the shadow, then you will see the image all side showing the shadow is the 10 radius. We can increase the radius. Suppose radius is 20, then you will see the 20 radius get 10. We can set the stroke green, and then you will see the uh, green circle radius with radius 10. So in this example, uh, shown the at first how we use the system image, and then we use the custom image. Then we can custom image round or circle. Then we can image the gradient. So we can run our project. Suppose we can run our project into iPhone X, and then we will show the exactly same output into simulator. Here is our output image output. In this example, shown the image how we can image in display. One way is use the system image, another is we can use our custom image or own image. Thank you so much.